Hey there! Welcome to this exciting video where I'm going to introduce you to the world of Markdown and how it can truly transform your technical writing. Are you tired of spending endless hours formatting your documents? Well, Markdown is here to rescue you. In this video, I'll be diving deep into the magic of Markdown and uncovering the incredible benefits it offers. From its simple and intuitive syntax to its compatibility with various platforms, Markdown makes your technical writing a breeze. But that's not all. We'll also explore the versatility of Markdown and its ability to enhance collaboration and streamline workflows. Whether you're a developer, a writer, or a project manager, Markdown's flexibility is something you do not want to miss out on. So, get ready to witness a revolution in your documentation process as I demonstrate practical examples, tips, and tricks to unleash the full potential of Markdown. By the end of this video, you'll be amazed at how this simple yet powerful tool can revolutionize your technical writing game. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the world of Markdown and unveil its limitless possibilities. Get ready to transform your documentation game and never look back. If you are a technical writer, you're probably familiar with traditional word processors like Microsoft Word or Google Docs. While these programs are great for basic text formatting, they can be cumbersome and bloated when it comes to more complex documents. This is where Markdown comes in. Markdown is a lightweight markup language that allows writers to format their text with just a few simple symbols. This makes it easy to create headings, lists, tables, and more, all while keeping your document clean and easy to read. One of the biggest advantages of Markdown is that it's platform independent. This means you can write your document in Markdown on any device, and it will look the same when you view it on another device. Another advantage of Markdown is that it's easy to learn. Unlike traditional word processors, which can take hours to master, Markdown can be learned in just a few minutes. This makes it ideal for writers who want to focus on content creation rather than formatting. Additionally, Markdown files are plain text, which means they can be easily stored in version controlled using Git or other version control systems. Similar to other languages, Markdown also has syntaxes to perform specific functions, which you need to remember in order to learn Markdown language. Headings play a crucial role in writing, as they help to break up the text into manageable sections and allow readers to quickly identify the main topic of each section. To create a heading, simply add one or more hashtag symbols before the text. The number of hashtag symbols you use will determine the heading level. For example, one hashtag symbol will create a level 1 heading, 2 hashtag symbols will create a level 2 heading, and so on. Similar to HTML language, Markdown language also supports headings or headers up to 6 levels. Lists are an essential part of writing, particularly when it comes to breaking down information into more manageable chunks. List can be an ordered list, numbered list, or unordered list, bullet list. To create a numbered list, add a number before each item. For example, to create a numbered list, use the following syntax. To create a bullet list or unordered list in Markdown, you can use dashes, asterisk, or plus in front of the list items or text that you want to be listed. For example, you can use the following basic Markdown syntax for creating a bulleted list. You can easily create nested lists in Markdown by simply using Tab key. For example, see the following basic Markdown syntax to create a nested list. When writing content, technical or non-technical, we need to emphasize some words or phrases by making them bold or italics. We can do the same in Markdown language by using asterisk syntax. To bold text, you need to put two asterisk before and after the words or phrases that you want to emphasize. To italicize text, you need to put one asterisk before and after the words or phrases that you want to emphasize. However, if you want to do both bold and italics to the same word or phrase, use three asterisk before and after the words or phrases. In addition to basic formatting, Markdown also allows you to create tables, add images, and create advanced links. To create a table, use the pipe symbol to separate columns, and the hyphen symbol to create the table header. For example, the following Markdown syntax will create a simple table. One of the most useful Markdown syntax is the ability to add links. To add a link, simply wrap the text you want to link in square brackets, and then add the URL in parentheses. For example, use the following syntax to create a link to the Google homepage. To add an image, use the exclamation mark, followed by square brackets with a description of the image, and then parentheses with the URL of the image. For example, the following Markdown syntax will add an image to your document. In conclusion, Markdown is a simple and efficient way to format your technical writing. With Markdown, you can create headings, lists, tables, and more, all while keeping your document clean and easy to read. Additionally, Markdown files are plain text, which makes them easy to share, collaborate on, and version control. If you're new to Markdown and want to learn Markdown efficiently, start by learning the basic syntax and formatting. Once you're comfortable with the basics, explore some of the more advanced techniques, like tables, images, and links. In addition to the information explained in this video, you can read some of the best books to learn Markdown language for beginners listed in one of my blog posts. The link to the post is given in the video description. Finally, consider using a Markdown editor or converter to make your workflow even more efficient. Similar to the one I used in making this video. In this video, I have used Microsoft Visual Studio Code. You can use any one you like. Thank you for watching this video. If you love the video, please like it, and to further support my work, please subscribe to my channel.